Hey Tech Fam! Welcome back to 90sec Tech, where we break down tech tools to help you stay safe and connected in today's digital world. In this video, we're diving into IPVanish and why it's one of the best VPNs for total online protection. Whether streaming, gaming, working remotely, or just browsing, IPVanish offers all the tools you need to keep your data safe, private, and secure. Stick around, and we'll cover its top features, real-life use cases, and why it stands out from the competition. Let's jump in. What is IPVanish, and why do you need it? IPVanish is a virtual private network, VPN, designed to protect your online activity by encrypting your data and masking your location. Why does this matter? Privacy prevents your ISP, advertisers, or hackers from tracking your online activity. Security keeps your data safe on public Wi-Fi, whether you're at a coffee shop, airport, or hotel. Access helps you unlock geo-restricted content on streaming platforms or bypass local restrictions while traveling. Real-life example. Imagine you're using public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop. Without a VPN, your sensitive data like passwords or banking info could be intercepted. With IPVanish, your data is encrypted so that no one can access it. Top features of IPVanish. Let's break down why IPVanish is an excellent choice for complete online protection. Unlimited device connections. Most VPNs limit how many devices you can connect at once, usually around 5 or 6. IPVanish breaks that mold by offering unlimited connections under a single subscription. Perfect for families or small teams who need to secure multiple devices. It covers smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even smart TVs without extra costs. Advanced Security AES 256 encryption, the gold standard for keeping your data private. Kill switch automatically disconnects your internet if the VPN drops, preventing accidental exposure. No logs policy. IPVanish doesn't store or track your browsing history, meaning your online activity is truly private, even from them. Fast speeds. While many VPNs slow down your connection, IPVanish delivers reliable speeds that are great for streaming, gaming, and downloading. Global server network. With over 2,000 servers in 75+ locations, IPVanish ensures you can find a fast, reliable server wherever you are. How does IPVanish work in real life? Here are some practical ways IPVanish can protect you every day. Streaming. You can access your favorite Netflix, Hulu, or Disney Plus shows from anywhere in the world. No more annoying geo-restrictions. Remote work. Encrypt your connection when working on public Wi-Fi to ensure the security of your emails, documents, and calls. Shopping smart. Use servers in different countries to find better deals on flights, hotels, or subscriptions. Family protection. Set up IPVanish on your home router so that every device connected to your network is automatically secured. Real-life example. You're traveling abroad and want to watch your home country's streaming library. Connect to an IPVanish server in your home country and you're good to go. No restrictions. What sets IPVanish apart from the competition? There are plenty of VPNs out there, but here's why IPVanish stands out. Unlimited devices. Few VPNs offer this, making IPVanish perfect for households or small businesses. Simple pricing. No hidden fees or add-ons. Everything is included in one plan. Cloud backup. Some plans include encrypted cloud storage, a unique feature not typically offered by other VPNs. Is IPVanish right for you? IPVanish is ideal for anyone who values privacy, security, and flexibility. For families, unlimited device connections mean everyone's gadgets are protected. For professionals, advanced encryption and a no-logs policy ensure your work stays private. For travelers, reliable access to geo-restricted content and secure public Wi-Fi protection make it a must-have. And that's why IPVanish is one of the best VPNs for total online protection. Its unlimited connections and robust security features offer everything you need to stay safe online. Ready to give it a try? Check the link in the description for exclusive deals and a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech guides and comparisons. Thanks for watching 90sec Tech, and as always, stay secure.